Okay, so we're going to do a respiratory assessment on Zach through auscultation. We'll start with the apex of the lungs. Deep breath in and out. That's good. That's good. Just working our way down to the middle lobe on the right side. And the lower lobe. Of course, there's only two lobes on the left-hand side. That's good. That's great, and then I'll just go around the back. The lobe there. That's good. Just work my way down. Okay, that's fine. Wonderful.